If you had to watch any of my unboxing videos, and I have a lot of unboxing videos on this channel, this would be the one to watch. So if you're here watching for the first time, you're good. You never need to see anything else. Hey there, it's DeeJayBe. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Daryn. This is an unboxing. This package basically contains my model horse dreams. This is a moment I never thought would come true. I say every unboxing is a special unboxing. This is the unboxing. We talk about holy grails in the model horse world. That is one that you really wanted your entire life and now have accomplished. Like if I went on to identifyyourbreyer.com and went through every single page on that site, this would be the one Breyer I would pick out of all of them. And then I also got a bonus one. I literally stopped everything and had to prepare myself. That's my printer. It loves to do that in the middle of really important things, and I have to wait the full 30 seconds for it to finish. Let's do this thing. Not gonna lie, these were very expensive. I'm not even gonna tell you how much they cost. No one needs to know. The price of joy is priceless. Sometimes in life, you just gotta do the thing. This is great. This is a perfect anecdote to this. She threw this in for free. Oh, he's cute. She said it was like body condition, but he's not. Oh, dang it. I'm not gonna be able to customize him. It's a mold I really, really like. I grew up with one of these actually, but it is just like a super pretty mold. This is not the horse we've been waiting my entire life for. Don't be fooled. This is just like to just cleanse the palate before we get too excited and start screaming. There's two models in this box. This lady actually reached out to me personally, privately, and said, I'm selling these two horses from my collection. I no longer want them. I know that you would appreciate them because they've been on your wish list for a really long time. I very much appreciate it. It's one of those situations where she had one, but then she also had the other one. Might as well buy both. So here we are. So I'm gonna pick the first one, which is on top, so it's perfect. Can you see here it is? The most exciting model horse. It always cracks me up when people wrap the legs like this. This is so cool. Nakota, who is my favorite Breyer sculpture that exists, and this particular one is called Moon Warrior, and he was a connoisseur horse. He was back from 2008 he came out. So the Connoisseur series was a series of Breyers that came out in the early 2000s, and they were limited to a certain amount. They were more expensive, and they were like painted at a higher quality than your standard Breyer. So the whole concept was similar to the Premier Club, but it wasn't like new molds. It was just really nice paint jobs. A lot of the connoisseur horses have my heart. I'm an early 2000s collector. That's just when I started. A lot of these horses were painted and manufactured in the US still, so they just have a better quality to them. But there was actually only 350 of this one made. This is number 28. He's like numbered on his hoop. He just has a super high level of detail. I actually like this horse a lot more than I thought I would. I don't love blue eyes in horses. Breyer does a good blue eye sometimes, and I'm learning to like it a little more on this guy. But I remember going to a live show and my mom actually picked him out on someone's table and was like, that's a really pretty one. You should get that one. And I was like, yeah, I would if I could. Oh, I'm so excited. This is an exciting model horse to have, to be touching, to have in my collection. Like, I feel it in my stomach right now. This next one is even cooler, and yes, I don't know how you could top Moon Warrior, but you can. I'm just gonna put him over there so he doesn't get damaged, but he is cool. Okay, let's get to the meat and potatoes of this video. The reason why we're here and why I'm so excited and took an hour to get ready. You see it emerge. Oh god, it's coming with all of the packaging. Oh god, oh god. Okay, this is amazing. I don't know what this is, but it's great. All right, what does it look like? That's weird. It's another shape of a Nakota. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get this off without... Okay, 1 second. All right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. This is a 2008, so again, these came out in the same year, Velvet Rope event, which is a special Collectors Club event that Breyer hosted. And he was limited to 100 copies, so this is Burbank. And Burbank is a magical model horse. This is the model I picked on Identify Your Breyer when I started collecting, and I said, I want that one. And then I realized how sought after he is. This specific model just never comes up for sale. About a year ago, I saw like maybe 4 or 5 come up, and none of them were like in my price range. I've offered people my entire custom collection, commission, opportunity, I'll sculpt you original sculpture from scratch, anything to obtain this horse. The person that sold me these 2 horses was amazing to deal with, so it made it really hard to say no. And I'm just flabbergasted that I have him now. Like, I can't believe it. Funny story with this specific horse is that I actually saw him for sale through another person. And I messaged that person offering custom work or any of my like already made custom. She didn't reply to me. She sold the horse. I went to purchase a different model off of her, and she found the message that I had sent regarding this guy and was like, oh my gosh, if I had known, I 100% would have traded you. Here we are, it's fine. We're just poor now. It's all good though. I can sell my whole collection and just have ease. Moral of this story is don't give up on your dreams ever. I never presumed myself in a position like this. I mean, I think we make dreams up in our heads, whether it's something we really want or something we'd really like to do one day. And as long as you never lose sight of that dream and you dream big enough that it's exciting enough that when you get there, you feel proud, it's really important. I feel like I've always been a big dreamer. I've always had big plans and always wanted grand things. It's a true testament to all of this, to the YouTube videos, to the art of everything, and I've worked my butt off to be able to get here and have this, and like, it's crazy that this is my job now. My job's outcome is to have these horses and to be able to share them with everyone. So it's very, very, very special, and I'm very thankful and humble about it. I don't take this for granted. So these are all of my Nakotas. I'm super excited. So we have 11 total here. That is my longest conga for sure. I don't specifically conga, so I want to make that very clear. There are a few molds that like really grasp my heart and I end up with a lot of them. There are a few I don't have, and that's just because they didn't speak to me. Let's add the 2 new guys. I don't think they're all gonna fit. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Love it, love it, love it. These are all of my Nakotas. So I have a total of 13 now. Now that's my like whole Nakota herd. I'm so excited. I love them. Thank you so much for watching. This has been DeeJayBe Studios. You can find me on all the social media platforms. Like and subscribe. You know what to do. And if you want to see behind the scenes content of all of this stuff that's happening, check out my Patreon. I post there super frequently, and it's a great little platform to be in the loop.